Okay, so last week you guys saw me carve up this replica monkey skull here, and a lot of you, I posed the question, well, what should I turn it into or use it for? And a bunch of you said a gear shift knob for like, you know, shifting gears on a truck or a hot rod or something like that. So that is what we are going to attempt today. Okay, so I don't think this should actually be all that hard. I do have these inserts here, and they will screw up into the back of the skull, and then that is what you screw onto your gear shift. So I'm going to use one of these, and that'll just go right up into the back of the cranium here. Now, if you are using a real skull for this, I would recommend filling up the cranium with some epoxy sculpt. I'll leave links for that in the description of the video. And that would hold your little insert to screw onto the gear shift. Now the other part of this is I want to mechanize the jaw on the monkey skull to have it be able to open and close. It's not a must, I just thought it would be fun to do. So I got a bunch of hardware here, and we're gonna see if we can kind of make it somewhat work. Well, I don't know if the inserts I got were just too cheap, or if it was just too tight the hole, but that kind of sheared off, but I think it still might actually work. I'm gonna cut that top off, and then we still have the insert in there, so I think it'll work still. Okay, so hopefully this makes sense to you, but I have a bunch of these, I can't find them, here we go, screw eyes, and I'm gonna put one of those right here, and then your mandible goes right up there, and it is gonna connect from that little screw eye right there up to the side of the mandible here, like so that when you open the jaw, it's spring-loaded and it'll close back down. Thing is, with this part right here, it's super thin in there, so I'm gonna put just a bit of epoxy sculpt right there. That way, that little screw eye has good solid bedding in there for the tension on the spring. Alrighty, so I should be able to just hook this little spring up into the eye hook and it work. Ah ha ha, look at that. Now the real question is, will it work as a gear shift knob? And well, my little, what do you call this? Honda Civic obviously is not going to work for that. And my neighbor offered that I could try it out on his truck, but for the life of me, I cannot get this knob off of the gear shift. Well, I was not able to come up with any hot rods or trucks or Jeeps or anything to test this out on. I will eventually. So if you are not following me on Instagram, you can do so. And once I do get this hooked up to a gear shift, I will let you know there. But hopefully this provided some inspiration for some of you. It's actually really easy, just as long as you have the right size of insert to do. So hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, feel free to do so. Got lots of different shenanigans coming up with skulls, carving, and all kinds of stuff like that. So thanks, guys.